everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharon. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is sharonravenberg, and today we are back with a brand new video. I'm going to create a beautiful fall kindish eye look. I'm going to create an eye look. I'm gonna glam up because I'm going to a gig, so we gotta look good, okay. So I'm going to use two palettes, and these palettes are from Juviasplace. The first one I'm gonna use is the Saharan blush palette volume 1. This is the first palette I'm going to use, and out of this palette I'm gonna use these two shades right here. I'm gonna apply them in my crease, and I'm gonna show you after that. I'm gonna show you which colors I'm going to use on my lid. So I went ahead and primed my eyelids. I already primed my face too, and I'm gonna dip in this palette right now. I'm going to use these two colors in the crease, and then we'll go further. So now that we're done with the crease, I'm gonna show you guys how to create a cut crease kind of look without cutting the crease. I mean, without using concealer or any eye base to cut the crease. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. The shades I'm gonna use are these two shades right here, this one and this one. So I'm gonna create an ombre effect on the lids, and I'm gonna show you how to apply it as a cut crease without cutting the crease. So let's get started. already have. Now I'm going back into this palette, and from this palette I'm gonna use this shade right here just to deepen out the outer corner and just to fade it into the crease to give the crease a more defined look. So this was it for the eyes. It was actually an eye look. So I'm gonna do my face and come back and show you guys the final look. Guys, this is my finished look. This look came out bomb.com. Like, everything is like, seriously, I really like how this look came out. I also showed you guys how to create a cut crease without cutting the crease in terms of using concealer or any kind of base to cut the crease. You can also do it with eyeshadow, only your eyeshadow, but you just have to shape it. But you definitely need a good eyeshadow. It has to be creamy, it has to be like perfect. So if that's the case, you can slay any cut crease without concealer or anything like that. If it's easier, it's quick, you don't have to use concealer, you can just cut your crease with the eyeshadow and boom. So hope you like this look, guys. I just love it. Like, I'm loving it. So that's basically it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and till next time,